Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Startline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in a solid paint colour pure grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of front parking sensors. Down below the vehicle sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels as well as coming with a full wheel trim cover set. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a set of rear loading barn doors, and helping you park and manoeuvre we'll find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up those barn doors and taking a look into the load area, it comes fully ply lined as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area itself can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there's a step behind the sliding door allowing easy access into the rear. Up front of the driver's cab area we'll find an armrest for the driver's seat as well as a twin-seater passenger bench. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system where driver and passengers can connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple Carplay or Android Auto. The system also allows users to access all their favourite radio stations. Once the vehicle comes into close proximity with an object, the parking distance control will also show on the screen. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The vehicle comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and throughout the rest of the cab we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Startline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.